Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Vivo V17. And the Vivo V17 comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the new Huawei Nova 7i comes with a Huawei Kirin A10 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture. And also we have a 8GB of RAM on the Nova 7i. And both phones give you a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a normal ultra wide macro lens and a depth sensor on the back on both these two devices. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Vivo V17, followed by the Huawei Nova 7i. And both phones is running on Android 10. 10 update on the Vivo V17, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V17 it is still taking some time. And now it is also done on the Vivo V17, about 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very big display, but we have a full HD Super AMOLED display with the punch hole display on the right hand side on the Vivo V17, while the Huawei Nova 7i give you a full HD IPS3 display, but we have a punch hole display on the left hand side, and the punch hole display it is really small on the Vivo V17. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and that is a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Settings, that is again faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Now let's see the mic lock, and that is again a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. The calendar, about the same on both phones, no difference there in the calendar app. Amazon Shopping, some internet apps, and that is faster on the Vivo V17 as you can see. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And let's see how much a difference between a Huawei Kirin A10 versus a Snapdragon 675. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is way faster than the Vivo V17. Instagram, that is faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Snapchat, and that is again a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Spotify, and that is faster on the Huawei Nova 7i again. You guys are the judge of the speed test. Now let's see the Subway Surfer, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it seems like faster there. Yes, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V17. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and that is, seems like this time Vivo V17 it is faster there. And you can see this time Vivo V17 it is beat the Huawei Nova 7i in this game application. But overall I am really impressed by the performance of the Huawei Nova 7i, because its chipset, it is a beast chipset in this price range. The Twitter, faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Zedge, and that is, and in case of Vivo V17 it is faster there, while the Huawei Nova 7i now it is also done. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and that is, seems like a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and that is, and you can see about the same on both phones. Maybe the Huawei Nova 7i it is just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the apple.com. Here we go, and you can see, and the Huawei Nova 7i it is faster there, while the Vivo V17 now it is still taking some time. And now I think it is also done. You can see, let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So now let's see the RAM management on both phones. Both phones give you a 8GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. I open a lot of apps for checking out the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, My clock. Let's see the calendar. Let's see Amazon shopping. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Let's see Instagram. No refresh again. Let's see Snapchat. And one thing I'm gonna tell you that Huawei Nova 7i does not give you any Google Play services right out the box. Let's see Spotify. Let's see the Subway Surfer. And you can see no refresh. Let's see the Temper 2. Now let's see the Twitter Zech. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely way faster on the Huawei Nova 7i in system based application as well as in game app loading time. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. I'm really impressed by the performance of the Vivo V17. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Vivo V17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.